Hi guys and girls, I'm Dan from geekchronicles.ro, and today we're gonna do an unboxing, but not a test, of the Parkside cordless hammer drill that runs on 20 volts. The model number is PKHAP 20LIC4, that's a mouthful, and for this particular hammer drill it's recommended to use the 4 amp hour battery, the conventional or the smart battery. On the back are some specifications: impact energy 3 joules, SDS plus, the system for the bits, 950 maximum RPM, also this is the impact rate, 4700 hits per minute. The maximum drill capacity is 24 millimeters in concrete and stone, I'm guessing the drill size, maybe, and 13 millimeters in metal. It says here that it has 200% more impact force, higher impact force, whatever that means, up to 30% faster progress, again, whatever that means, and 100% longer running time, which I'm guessing it's due to the brushless motor. The brushless motor has less friction and more torque compared to a conventional brushed motor, and of course the improved lifespan that you get without having brushes. What's in the box? First, let me open the box. I have a sticker here. Let's see, here's like a microfiber cloth, some grease, a few bits, and also a stop so you don't drill too deep. Here are the specifications of the drill. The part number of the drill is PKHAP 20LIC4. I'm guessing the C4 stands for the revision of the tool. And it was made in 2024. The manufacturer is Copernicus. I guess Parkside has different manufacturers for their tools. The drill is fairly well built. Here you have like a setting for the power 1 and 2, and here in the front there is this switch that has 4 positions. The first that didn't feel that great. It's a little bit low quality, to be honest, because it gets stuck. I have to press harder on that part and it's hard with one hand. I can tell you right away that this position of the switch, it doesn't click into place. I don't know if it should do that, but it doesn't click into place. It clicks here, it clicks here, but here it doesn't click, because I don't know if you can see, but there is a very small probability that you can see that. See, there is a hole in the metal case that's a little bit smaller compared to the holes that are here. As you can see, the hole, it's a bit bigger in order for the switch to click in place. I don't know if that's by design, but it doesn't make sense to not be able to click it in one place. So the quality control is not that good. I paid for the tool like 55 euros or something like that. First impressions are fairly good, but I must tell you right away, the quality control on the tool is not that great. I'm just telling you just from this switch here that I'm fiddling with, but I don't know. And also the font, as you can see, not that great also here, but those are minor things. If the tool works, you cannot complain that much really. And also you have this thing to tighten up around the neck of the tool. So I'm guessing Oh no, here is the stop, right? This one that you can place here. Let's see. So if I put the ring here and I tighten it, let's put a battery in it and see if it spins, because I don't have nothing in which I can drill, so yeah. It's nice that you have modulation on the trigger, that's good. And here you can change, I'm guessing, the speed of the head. Let's see what this function does. Oh, it's just like a hammer. Okay. Double hammer function. So this is the same? I'm confused. I'm really confused. This is basically the same function, I don't get it. Leave it in the comment section below if you know what this does. Or maybe I should look it up in the manual, but I'm too lazy for now to do that. Right. That's the drill basically. This is just an unboxing, I'm sorry for that, but as of now I don't have like a wall in which I can test drill, but maybe in the future I will find a wall and drill a few holes to see how it performs. I hope this was helpful in a way. Leave it a like if it was, a dislike if you feel like you lost a few minutes of your life. And don't forget to subscribe if you are a geek and you are interested in tech like this, computers and such. But for now, I'm going to leave you with this sound.